Hello, this is Jerry. I will be showing you the basics of using parameters. Parameters are variables or objects in which they represent data to the function in closed parentheses. The function takes in data as input in order to return or output a result. As you can see in the script tag, let's look at the function add. A and B are variables. There's no need to declare A and B outside the function as for parameters. So you would like to return or output the A plus B, plus meaning the addition. So we're adding A plus B, and it should output once the bottom here, document.write add, let's say we put in 1 for A and 8 for B. So that's 1 plus 8, and that should equals 9. So as you can see in line 17, you have the function add more contains a variable with 3 dots in front of it, and this is called rest parameter, and I named it args. You can name it any name you want. So once you put 3 dots in front of that variable inside the parentheses, it indicates that whatever that's in the, if you go down in line 29 where it says document.write add more, you see there's 4 numbers, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you can put this 3 dots is telling you can put as many values or numbers inside the argument here. And this function is adding up all these numbers, and that should equal 14. So that the 3 dots it's essentially the array. It makes the argument as if it's looked at as if it is an array. It makes it iterable, and that's like any number, any variable or object that can return or output individual elements one at a time. So the function has a loop and goes through each element in the array, the 2, which is the 2, the 3, the 4, and 5, and it has a length and takes in the length of args, the length of that array of the rest parameter. It goes up, it tests the how many elements or numbers are in the arguments, and goes up to the length of the args, and it adds each time. It updates the sum to the next value, to the next number, and that gives you the return of the total sum, which is the 14. So let's look at the browser. As a result, we can expect it to see. So you can see you got 9 and 14. So you can see document.write, you have the 1 plus the 8, which is 9, and then you have the second document.write, which add more, 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, which is equal 14. And there you have it.
Thank you for watching. We have completed our lesson. You are welcome to subscribe, comment, and share. You may go to the comment section of the video or the discussion section in the area of my channel homepage for a request on any web programming lessons or projects you would like me to show you. Free to code anything.